Hello you all, welcome back to my space. So guys, I want to braid my hair up into an inverted cornrow, which is also called Didi or inner cornrows. So guys, I'm starting by taking out those braids I made yesterday, and right now I'm trying to part my hair into this V shape. I'm going to make these cornrows in three sections, like three. It's going to be three on my hair. So guys, I'm done parting and I made this one. It's not looking that neat due to I made it on myself. I'm not seeing what I'm doing, so that's why it's looking like that. But the one I'll be using for tutorial is this one in the middle. At least I'm seeing it very well, so that is the one I'm going to be using for tutorial. So guys, you don't use your index finger, you use your thumb. Like for the normal cornrows, you use your index finger to braid, but for this one you're going to be using your thumb. So use your thumb to push the middle hair backwards, then bring it out from the side. As you can see, again you use your thumb to push the middle hair in backwards, then bring it out from the side in the other side. Then you use your thumb again to push the middle hair backwards and bring it out from the other side. You use it again, push it backwards, bring to the other side. And as you are doing this, be picking hairs as you go down. Be taking the hairs little by little as you go down. So guys, this one may be a little tricky and hard. It is not that easy like the normal cornrows that we all do. It will be easy for you when you want to do it from the back of your head to the front by yourself. It will be easy to do, but doing it from the front to the back by yourself is a little bit hard. But with this tutorial, I'm sure you can also do it by yourself. If I can do it, you can do it as well. So just keep on watching and see how it goes. Just push the middle hair in backwards with your thumb, bring it out from the side, push the middle hair again, bring it out from the other side. That is what you'll be doing continuously till you get to the back of your hair. It is not that hard to do. You just learn the technique and you will get it perfectly. With this technique, you can also do it on someone while standing at the back. You know, this hair, if you want to do it on someone, you have to stand at the front and be corrowing it backward. But with this technique, you can stand at the back like when you want to do your normal cornrows and cornrow the hair backwards. Yes, I don't know if you understand. If you're a stylist and you always do this style, many stylists stand in the front of the person and cornrow backward, especially in this Didi style. But with this technique, you can stay at the back and still cornrow this type of hair backward. So that is what I'm trying to show you guys. So continue watching and learn. I will leave you guys to watch and understand it on your own. I don't know how I'm going to explain it again. I think I'm done explaining in the best way I can. So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell for more natural hairstyles, hair growth tips, and some tips on how to create some styles, okay, like this one that I'm doing right here. So see you next in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please hit on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot and it will help YouTube to push this video to other people. So guys, this is the finished look of this braid. As you can see, it is not that hard to do. It's so simple if you learn the techniques very well. So this is it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.